Ka-chow.
Okay, believe it or not, there is a right way and a wrong way to install your registration stickers. Do not be like this guy. It not only encourages theft, but also it just looks really tacky. I'm gonna show you just really quickly how to take care of this.
Start by removing the license plate frame. These are usually Phillips head screws or a 10mm bolt. You could do this off the car, but I find it actually easier to do it on the car because there's a little bit more pushback. Use a straight razor to peel off the old registration stickers. Make sure the area is clean, then firmly place the new registration sticker before pizza cutting it. The pizza cut is done so that if someone tries to steal your registration sticker, it's virtually impossible to get it in one piece. Reinstall the license plate frame and snug up the bolts.
On a side note, if that month sticker is starting to look really dull or faded or it's gone completely, you can also contact the DMV or AAA and get a new month sticker, usually for free.
Girlie Garage offers automotive education and consulting. Feel free to pop on over to my website if you have any questions. The link is in the description.